your phone, the setting under the system for developers option. You make sure the developers option is on, so you can see that up there, developers option is on. Down there at the bottom, USB debugging, it is on. Okay, once you have done that, the next thing to do is to plug in. So I'm going to plug in. Okay, it is now plugged in. Automatically, you can see that there, it is already connected. Okay, so it is now connected. So they say enable. Okay, for this one, you set transfer files. Okay, then they say us this one. Okay, okay, always allow. Okay, okay, now this thing is connected. Okay, now this thing is connected. So you can see the yes. Okay, so now it is like that. Okay, so here this is done. Okay, you have to go to Google Play. Go to Google Play, now connected. Please allow to screenshot on the phone. Okay, so this one start now. Okay, now they say turn on usage. Okay, so this one click go setting. Okay, so under this one, okay, easy con, click this one, allow usage access. Okay, go back. Okay, so we click on settings. So that is settings. Okay, so as you can see now, everything is selected. Okay, so you can see it is now displayed on my computer screen. Okay, if you just plug in and nothing happens, just scroll this one to the right. Okay, after you scroll this one to the right, you can see that easy connection. Click on easy connection. Okay, so whatever that is being displayed on your phone will be automatically displayed on the screen of the computer. So if you want to go somewhere, just you set it inside your phone. Okay, then this thing will display accordingly. Once you're done, okay, you just switch off your computer, your phone, and you're done.